Hello, my name is Janiko Alve.
My name is Tianze.
And my name is Arias, and this is our audio sampler project for Engineering 6.
To first use our sampler, you first have to load in a sample through the audio sample grid. After it's loaded, you can use the playback controls to play it. To pause and resume it. And then also to stop it.
Besides the basic place and pause functions, we also have the audio editing functions here. So for example, we can just set the start time and the end time of the audio file we want, and we click on apply trim. And as you can see from the plot on the left, our music clip has been edited to this 5-second period. Also, we can change the volume and the speed of this audio file. For example, we can change the volume to 160% and the speed to 125%. And we just click on the apply effects, and we can see the corresponding changes on the plots on the left. And also, we can reverse this audio file. So you can see it is reversed. And also, we can choose to add echo for this audio file.
One of our reach features for this project was a frequency spectrum, which would show you the frequency at which the audio is being played and then the magnitude at which it is being played as well. So if we were to load a different audio file, say this one right here, and then we played it, as you can see, we have this spectrum right here, which would peak at the certain frequencies that the audio is being played at, and then mellow out where it's less prevalent. Another one of our reach features is our frequency filter, which has a low pass and a high pass feature, which we could slide around. Say we wanted to low pass at 1000 hertz, that means it would cut out all the frequency below the 1000 hertz metric. So if we were to play it, you would see the frequency spectrum change itself just a little bit, and the audio would also edit itself. But if we wanted to instead use a high pass, that would keep all the high level frequencies. So if we were to play that, it spikes at the high frequency on the spectrum. It's almost like an echo feature. And lastly, we have our tone generator, which would generate any sort of tone at frequency and duration. Say we wanted to generate a 200 hertz sine wave for 1 second, we could load it to sample 3. And a fun thing that we added to our code was we added a Boolean property that would only show a couple milliseconds on our amplitude graph, because if it wasn't, then it would be very blocked and not very visible, or not well visible. But instead, we only have a couple milliseconds, so it's easier to view. We could just say for square waves, and sawtooth waves, and AM modulation waves, and then we could play all of them the same. And with that, that is our audio sampler project. So thank you very much.